I wanted to give you guys a real quick update on how the cupping in this material is turning out. If you look at the underside of that straight edge, you'll notice there's not much daylight coming through, which means that leg is quite flat. Now this leg came out of the portion of the material where there was the most cupping, and if you look you'll see a little bit of daylight, but it's really not terrible, maybe a 16th or so, and I'm perfectly happy with that, especially considering what it used to look like. Now right here, this is the portion of the table that's going to meet up with that leg you just saw, and if you look, the cupping is quite similar. As I get further back, the table remains quite flat. So this thing is going to come together beautifully. Thank you. Bye-bye.